Hi, in this video I'll show you how to bypass parental controls on Windows 11. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can just head over to our taskbar and then search in here for the settings option. So search for the settings app and click on open right here in order to open it. So it should be able to open our settings. So what we can do is we can just head over right here into our home page and then see in here our actual family. You can head over right here to your accounts, and then from in there, this will load in order to see all of the accounts available into this particular device. So in here, you can see your sign in option, and in here, you can see your family. Click onto this family option right here. And in here, if you have the family subscription, you can sign in with your family account. Now, in order to manage that or remove the parental controls, you need to make sure that you have the password for the accounts needed. It will be removed using the administrator and not the user accounts right there. So make sure to sign in, open your family settings, and it should be able to actually help you to bypass this particular parental controls option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.